taking some time out, man, just to enjoy nature, bro, and just to enjoy me. When do you ever take out time to enjoy you? It's about what I want to do today. You know what I'm saying? What is this guy here doing? Austin, man, in the ATX. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? I don't know. I think being a good person is a myth. Like, it's no such thing as a good or bad person. Do we all make good and bad choices? Yes. But that don't always make you a good or bad person because you made a good or bad choice. You see what I'm saying? Being a Christian don't make you a good person. Being an atheist, no title that you can put on you will make you a good or bad person. It's you, it's your actions. It's what you do that make you. Well, I can't even say that. Because like I just said, there is no such thing as a good or bad person because we all make good and bad choices. That's why this thing of duality must coexist with our humanity. Because there is no good person who is always good. There's no person who is always good. There is no person who is always bad. So if you're going to say somebody is a good person, are they always a good person? For that person who is a bad person, are they always a bad person? So being a good person is a myth. Nobody is always good. And nobody is always bad. I'm trying to see if I can get some of these animals for y'all, man. And I ain't been to the zoo in so long. And this ain't even no zoo. But it's the closest I'm gonna get to it today. Buddy said they close in 30 minutes, so I would pick the perfect time to come here. Trying to find out what his bobcat at, man. There you go over there. I don't want to get too close up on that joker, man. They say it's a bobcat in here, but I don't see.
Nah, that's not.
Or it's hiding.
I don't want to get too close up on it. Mr. Owl there. So this is a red-tailed hawk. This is a porcupine. I don't see Mr. Porcupine in there. This is a duck. Another porcupine that I don't see. Oh, that joker way back there in the back. I don't know if y'all can see him. Joker up in that tree. Way back there. That joker huge. Must be asleep or something. You got Mr. Raven.
Come on, buddy.
I want to see that bobcat. We can't find that bobcat. Yeah. That joker making some noise. Family portrait. I thought somebody was about to get baptized over there. Look like a family portrait in the wall. I don't see the porcupine over here. Oh, he way back up, back in the back up there, way up there in the corner. Yep, way up there. Like he trying to escape.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See, this bobcat done failed us today, man. That boy sleep. Knocked out. Might be over there.